Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a monster catnap from Smiling Critters. So let's get started. To draw this awesome cat, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a curve, and I'm basically kind of drawing this ovalish shape at an angle. So I'll start with this one curve right here, and then we're just going to go around and create this like an egg shape. So I'm going to round it off and then come here and slant and connect. So basically like drawing a skull, the sockets in a skull. So it's wider towards the bottom and narrow towards the top. Then from there, let's go to the other side, and about right there, nice and close to each other, we're going to draw the same thing. So just curve and widen it out and connect at the bottom. There. Then from there, we're going to come inside towards this edge more. We're going to come right about here and draw a circle. And then inside, just going to draw a dot. And same thing here. And a dot. There. And then I'm just going to come in here really quickly and shade this all in so we can make it extra creepy. So thank you for all your love for my original catnap drawing. So I figure you guys must want this one, the monster version. Okay, there. Now the eye sockets, the eyes in. I'm going to come in between the eyes and we're just going to draw a soft curve right about here to draw the nose and just connect it in the center. Then I'm just going to come down right underneath it, give myself a point, and from there we're going to come out with a really big curve. So right underneath these eyes and just go out. Nice and wide, so about that much, and same thing here. Go out nice and wide. So we just want a slight little indentation right here, caving in. Then from there, I'm just going to go ahead and widen this all out. Nice deep curve for a big smile. From there, I'm going to go ahead and just quickly shade this all in. And no tongue this time because this is the nightmare version, so it's so dark that we're not going to be able to see. We don't need to draw the tongue, we're not going to see it. And my Sharpie is running out again. Every time I have to shade in these big smiling critter mouths. Okay, let me find another Sharpie. Okay, I'm back. Let's see if this one's better. A little bit. I don't want to use a brand new one because the brand new ones are much thinner and it would take a lot longer to color in. The points are a lot sharper, so I'm trying to find an old Sharpie that still has a lot of ink. Okay, there, something like that. We're done. Then from there, let's go ahead. We need to frame the face. So I'm going to come above, in the center of the eyes, come up just a little bit, maybe right about there. And I'm just going to draw a soft curve right in the center. It kind of looks like a panda, right? Then from there, we're going to go around the eyes on top and then come right back down to about there. And same thing here to about there. Then we're just going to draw see about here, we're going to come out and go around our smile. So same thing here. And let's see, let's go ahead and just go all the way around our curve right here and go all the way up and connect. There. And then I'm just going to come right here and extend this out. And give this a little bit more definition. There. Okay, so I think that looks a little bit better. Then from there, let's see, we need to draw the ears. So I'm going to come about right here, and we're going to draw these big cat ears. So come out. And let's give this ear some ridges. So I'm just going to wobble my way down. And then I'm just going to come right about here and draw the inside. And same thing here on the other side. So about right here, we're going to do the same thing. And once again, just wobble and in, and then the inside. There. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's go ahead and we need to start to draw the body. So we're going to need to draw a lot of really long legs. So I'm going to start. Let's see here. Let's start about right here where the body is. So let's come about right here. And I'm going to start about here and just start with a curve right about in this area. And then the back of our catnap would be about right here. So I'm just going to start to wobble this shape for the back. So start right here. And then let's come back into this space right here, and we're going to draw the first front leg. So we're going to come around, we're going to come down, bring this in. So we're just going to give our leg some definition. Then we're going to pull this down nice and long. If you have a lot of vertical space, you can make the legs even longer. And then as we come to about here where the joints are, we're just going to pop it out a little bit. Same thing here, just pop it out a little bit and then go back to being a little bit straighter. And we're just going to bring this all down. So I'm just going to give this a little bit more of an angle coming down this way. And let's see, about right there. I don't have much space, so I'll just end it about right here. And connect. So then let's draw the other one. So let's bring it to, let's say about right here, right underneath this eye. And we're going to do the same thing, just bring this down. And about the same spot, we're just going to pop out a curve for the joint area. And then bring it down again. And we're just going to aim to go back to about the same height as the other leg. And connect. There. So that's two. And then let's see, that's where we need to draw this side. So just imagine this is coming through and then the body. So let's say about right here. We're going to connect it, and then about right here. Let's go up and then curve down. And we're going to curve down because there's another leg right here, the back leg. And so let's bring this down. And once again, about right here, little bump, and then bring it in. So let's bring this down, give a little bump, bring it down. And we're going to end this one a little bit higher because it's in the back. So let's say about right here, we just end it. And connect. Now for the back here, let's see. Let's come in here and down and give this little hip area and connect. So this is like the rib. So about here, just give a little line for some detail. And then before I forget, I need to put in some stitches right here, right? So same thing here. I'm just going to add that really quick for some stitches. And then the other leg. So let's pop this out about right here. Let's bend it a little bit. And then give a little joint knuckle and then in and bring it down. So same thing here. And connect. So we're going to end it about the same level as that and just connect it. There. Okay, so finally the hardest part is done. We got the legs in. Now we need to draw the feet. So I'm just going to simplify the feet. I'm just going to spread them out. So right here, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and spread it out 4. And then we're going to add some nails just to make it look more imposing. So 1 here, here, and here. So I'll shade that in so you can see it better. And then, so same thing here, just come out. Just to simplify the drawing, make it a little bit easier to draw. Bring it out, and then once again, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then for the back, same thing. And 1 more. There. Okay, so hopefully I helped you draw the feet and then a tail. So let's tuck a tail, let's say about right here. And I'm just gonna curl it in. And bring it, tuck it in the back. And let's thicken this tail up. And here, so let's just imagine it's behind there, so we won't see the rest of it, so we'll just leave it there. And actually, you know what, let's, there, 1 more line. And last thing we need to draw is the moon on necklace right here, on the charm. So about right here, I'm just going to draw part of the moon, so the bottom part, and a little part of it right here. And hopefully I've gotten everything. But that is pretty much it for my drawing here of Monster CatNap from Smiling Critters. I really hope I helped you draw this monster fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.